Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election, which was held on February 25, 2023, and the result controversially announced on March 1st, 2023, in which Bola Ahmed Tinubu was declared the winner of the election. But that result was challenged at the Presidential Election Petition Court, and the election of Tinubu sustained by the Presidential Election Petition Court. But the petitioners, especially Peter Obi of the Labour Party and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, not satisfied, they headed to the Supreme Court. Now it is still in the process of proving that Bola Ahmed Tinubu ought not to be the president of Nigeria, that Atiku Abubakar is in the United States, trying to prove his allegation that the certificate that Tinubu submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission in June 2022 is fake. Because he is hoping that after establishing this, the election of Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be nullified. Now, while the matter in the US is ongoing, a whole lot of media attention have been paid to it. One of the people that paid attention to it, one of the news media organizations in America that pays attention to it, is the CBS News, which carried a report that we're going to talk about right now. And it has to do with the lamentation of the Chicago State University that the suit that Atiku Abubakar filed against Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the Northern District of Chicago in Illinois, that suit of trying to verify the authenticity of the certificate that Tinubu submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission has cost it a lot of money. Because according to the Chicago State University, this matter has cost the university significant amounts in fees and has brought bad publicity to the university. Now, this lamentation came from the lawyer of Chicago State University in the interview with the CBS News. And this is what the lawyer of Chicago State University said. His name is Michael Hayes. Michael Hayes told CBS News, one, that they want a clarity. They want to have this matter finished. They want it finished, and that they are ready to provide requests. That's the requested documents by Atiku Abubakar. They are ready to provide everything Atiku Abubakar needed so that this matter should be resolved, because this matter has cost them a lot of money in legal fees, and it has also cost them a lot in public relations. That's, people are looking at the university, it has portrayed the university in a bad light. Of course, many Nigerians will agree that I doubt if any Nigerian would like to go to Chicago State University to go and study with the kind of thing coming out from that university. I doubt any Nigerian who is aware of these developments will want to go to Chicago State University to go and study. With the array of universities, even Ivy League universities that full United States, I doubt if any reasonable Nigerian will go to that university to study now. Because the university has shown that it doesn't keep records well, or so it seems. So the lawyer is lamenting that this has given it bad publicity. It has given the university bad publicity, and it has also cost it a lot of money in hiring of lawyers, in payment of legal fees and all that. So this is what That's why they are ready to have this matter closed. But is Tinubu ready to have the matter closed? Because as long as Tinubu keep blocking Atiku Abubakar from getting these documents, the more the university have to be get involved in the legal matter, and the more I have to pay legal fees to state its own position on the matter. But the university, it appears, want to have this matter resolved. So this is what Mark Hayes said. He said, "We don't have a dog in this fight," Hayes said to CBS News, adding that the university has amassed significant legal fees and unwarranted bad public relations because of the political fight in a foreign land. Now, Hayes, as I said earlier on, was responding to the CBS News in its report in the Tinubu certificate saga. According to the CBS News, uh, the international political disputes has placed Chicago State University in the middle of a bitter fight in Nigeria's presidential election. Okay. It reported that in an emergency hearing, the U.S. District Judge Nancy Maldonado agreed to stay an order requiring Chicago State University to provide certain academic documents of one of his former students, Bola Tinubu, who has just been elected president of the African nation. According to this report by CBS, that order by Magistrate Judge Geoffrey Gilbert would have required Chicago State University to submit the documents by the end of Thursday. Okay, he was talking about the report was talking about the document that would have been handed over to Atiku Abubakar on Thursday, were it not for the appeal or the plea for review by Bola Tinubu and his legal team. Now, according to that same report, Judge Maldonado gave attorneys on both sides to file additional arguments by next Thursday. The report said that Tinubu's attorney argued that Gilbert's decision needed to be reviewed by a district judge. That request was granted by Maldonado. Now, mindful of legal deadlines in Nigeria, now these people, the judges are mindful, especially this Maldonado and even Judge Gilbert, they are mindful that this matter needs to be resolved in America because it is essential to the matter in the Supreme Court in Nigeria. So it's a mindful of legal deadline in Nigeria. Maldonado said she will rule as quickly as possible after that. According to her, I will have a busy weekend, she said. She said the issue is of process and rules. I am a rules person. That's why I'm a judge. This case is quite involved. I am aware of the stakes. Now, the judge herself admitted that this case is of a high stake. Of course, it's a high stake. You're talking about the presidency of Federal Republic of Nigeria. So the woman is aware of the enormity of the matter at stake. He said, it is more important to me to get this right because of the enormity of the matter, because of the importance of this case, the stakes that are high. She says she wants to get it right, the issues in this matter. Okay. Now the CBS continue with their report saying that Tinubu's political rival, Atiku Abubakar, claims that documents showing that Tinubu graduated from Chicago State University in 1979 is not authentic, and that is a ground to nullify Tinubu's election victory earlier this year. The university says it can confirm the president graduated from the Chicago State University. However, it cannot authenticate the diploma. That is where the problem lies. It admitted that Tinubu attended the university, but he cannot authenticate the diploma that Tinubu submitted to Ahmed, which is a clear indication that they cannot vouch for that certificate. And what does that mean? It means that what Atiku is alleging, that the certificate is forged. It's true because the university has confirmed it by themselves. Say we cannot do that. We agreed. His name is in the school register. We agreed he attended. We have his admission letter. We have everything. But this certificate, we cannot authenticate it. It is very interesting what is unfolding before our eyes. Now, the CBS reported that both Maldonado and Gilbert acknowledged a tight time frame considering the legal challenges happening in Nigeria, and ordered Chicago State University to submit relevant documents this week. Chicago State University's lawyer, Hayes, said it does not have a certified copy of Tinubu's diploma. Now, this is where it's also getting more interesting. I think I will put the report, CBS report, at the bottom of this video so that you can also read it yourself. Now, the university is saying that it does not have a certified copy of Tinubu's diploma. It means it doesn't have a diploma certificate that belongs to Tinubu on its own. He said because it is not part of a student's original academic record. What kind of university is it that people who graduate, their certificate, you do not have replica of it, saying that the certificate is just mere ceremonial? So where did Tinubu get the certificate that he's presented? If the university say that it does not have a certified copy of Tinubu's diploma, so where did he get the one he submitted to the INEC? From where did it emanate from? For the university lawyer to say that they don't have a certified copy of Tinubu's diploma, that is where it gets also more interesting. Then how did he get the one he submitted to INEC? That's the $1 million question. The university lawyer, that Chicago State University lawyer, he said that the university has a few dozen pages of forms, including transcripts, details of transfer credits, and an admission letter. This is very interesting. The university said they don't have certified copy that they can present. And this is also interesting because listening to the report by the CBS on what Atiku is demanding, so that you know that it's not just that the Nigerian media is reporting some things. What the American media, the CBS, look at what CBS wrote or reported that Atiku is demanding. He said, what documents are at issue? In his petition, Atiku Abubakar wants one. Now the CBS News is reporting what Atiku Abubakar wants. One, what Atiku Abubakar wants is one, an example of Chicago State University diploma issued in 1979. Two, Tinubu's diploma issued in 1979. Three, any example of a Chicago State University that contained the same font, seal, signatures, and wordings as Tinubu's Diploma issued in June 1979. 4. Chicago State University documents certified and produced by Jamal Orr, an associate general counsel at Chicago State University as at the time, that is in 1979. Let's get this again. This number 4 is a Chicago State University documents certified and produced by Jamal Orr, an associate general counsel at Chicago State University at the time. Abubakar also wants his lawyers to depose. He wants his lawyers to depose Chicago State University officials about the authenticity of Tinubu's academic documents. They want them to depose, to swear an oath, to an affidavit, an oath that what they have, what they are presenting as Tinubu's academic document, his certificate or whatever, is authentic. So that if found so that they can be liable if they lie. Essentially, that's what it means. So that they can be liable if they lie. Again, Atiku wants Chicago State University official to explain a letter from University Registrar Caleb Westberg confirming Tinubu's graduation. Atiku also wants Chicago State University officials to explain a letter from University Registrar Caleb Westberg confirming Tinubu's graduation. Now, this is the view of a United States newspaper, Chicago State CBS News. That is their report on Tinubu saga, certificate saga in Chicago. The university is lamenting that this Tinubu matter has cost it a lot of money in legal fees. Of course, in America, to hire a lawyer is not easy. They don't come cheap. American lawyers charge hourly. They don't come easy. Now, because of Tinubu, they have to squeeze out money, perhaps from their scarce resources, to go and be defending their students that he passed out from them. And of course, it's Tinubu that is delaying this matter out. From all indication, from what you see from the whole report. This university, the thing is costing them a lot of money. So they want to hands off it. Whatever documents that Atiku wants, they are ready if the court can give the order. And the court gave the order. Judge Gilbert, magistrate Gilbert, gave the order. But Tinubu went and blocked it. Now dragging the university into his matter. But from what you have listened to now, you can see that Michael Hayes, the lawyer of CBS of Chicago State University, they are tired of this matter. They want to get it done away with. So it is Tinubu that is dragging his former university, costing them a lot of money. And also the university is lamenting that this thing has given them bad publicity, a very negative image in the eyes of the world. I can tell you for free that there will be many people who will hear about this matter and they will not like to attend Chicago State University. So the more this thing drags, it rubbishes the university. It costs them a lot of money. They want to do away with it. That was why they are ready to release all the documents that Atiku Abubakar wants, in line with the order of uh, Judge Gilbert, the magistrate court Judge Gilbert. They want to do away with this matter. They want to release everything. And if you look at it clearly, the university has, don't want to be too harsh on Tinubu, but they have indirectly explained themselves that they know nothing about the certificate is submitted to INEC. That is at the issue. There are people who are saying, why are they, what is it they are looking for? What they are looking for is to authenticate the certificate that Tinubu gave to INEC. And now the university said that they cannot authenticate it. They cannot certify it. What else are we talking about? The only thing holding Atiku Abubakar right now is the judge giving the order. And already Judge Maldonado has already said that by Thursday, if they don't finish everything, she's going to make an order one way or the other. It is hope, many people will hope, especially most Nigerians who want to get clarity on this matter, we want them to do it as fast as possible so that the matter, the outcome can be admissible at the Supreme Court. And it's also interesting that both judges, both Judge Gilbert and Judge Maldonado, all of them, they were conscious of the fact that time is of essence. And you can see the woman, Maldonado, saying that she's ready to work on weekends, to finalize the whole process so that Atiku Abubakar can get what he wants, or to start the matter afresh. But starting the matter afresh is where it's very dangerous. It means that they are playing into the hands of Tinubu, who want this matter to be dragged, so that at the end of the day, even if Atiku get the whatever the proof he wants to justify his claim that Tinubu forged his certificate, the certificate he submitted to INEC, it may no longer be relevant. Okay, but one thing is clear: the Chicago State University is also lamented, just as Nigerians are lamented about the outcome of the 2023 presidential election, which really shocked many Nigerians, especially those who thought that Nigeria was about to have a real change, especially with all the promises that INEC made concerning the use of beavers and the electronic transmission of results. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.